station early in the morning. See the little papa bellies all in a row. See the session master put a little hand on. Poof, 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 off they go. Now let me show you how we go. Don't be slow. First throw your hands up, throw your hands up, throw your hands up. If I'm saying what's up, throw your hands up, throw your hands up, throw your hands up. Don't forget your sippy cup. What? Don't you have a sippy cup? No. Oh, sorry. Froggies don't be drinking out of cups anyhow. Now get ready. Cause here come the part I call hip hop.
Hip hop.
Put your hands in the air, your hands in the air. You wave them over here and you wave them over here. Your hands in the air, your hands in the air. Wave them everywhere cause you just don't. Now put your hands on your hips, your hands on your hips. Move it side to side like that and this. Your hands on your hips, your hands on your hips. Like a grandfather clock going tick tock tick. Just move it side to side, move it side to side. Don't make it be shy, just do it. You're moving side to side, you're moving side to side. I'm moving side to side like the very first time. Now shake it on down, you shake it on down, you shake it on down till you touch the ground. Up off the ground, up off the ground. Get up off the ground cause you know we're going down. Down by the station early in the morning. See the little papa bellies all in a row. See the session master put a little hand up. Off they go. But don't be getting on just yet. Here's something you need before I forget.